Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete Pixverse AI videos. So as you can see, this is the official website of Pixverse. As you can see, app.pixverse.ai, and this is the home section. So make sure to log in with your account, and once you are logged in with your account, so you will see like multiple options: home, create, effect, animation, asset, and favorite. So just click on this create option. This is basically the history, and if you want to create, you can create from here. Like you can give the prompt here like anything, like let's say a cat dancing. So just click on create and they will start creating. And let's say I already have created this one and I want to delete this video. So just click on this post, and once you click on this post, below everything you can see download, like, share, and delete. So just click on delete and this video will be deleted. And let's say I was trying to generate another video. So as you can see, this is another video of a cat dancing or doing something like that. As my prompt was not detailed, so this is just a kind of basic video. So just click on delete, and once you click on delete, just click on OK and the video will be removed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can delete AI videos from Pixverse AI.